What up, guys? Welcome to this episode of Fix of Fling. So, in this episode of Fix of Fling, we're going to take a look at the safety device. And the safety device that's supposed to protect your appliances like your televisions, etc. We're talking about this thing here, right? So, I show all you have this thing in all your house and all you buy it as, ooh, this supposed to protect my television or whatever. So, what I'm going to do is open it down and see what devices they have inside of it to protect your item, alright? So, while we're doing that, we will point out whatever it is. Guys, so we're back at it. So we have it set up on the work table, so I'm going to just give you a little narration over it. Because honestly, when I opened it, I was kind of shocked as to see what is inside. Let me just jump straight into it and explain why. Alright, so we have the plug here. Alright, check the plug. We make sure it's a 3-pin, you know, that kind of thing. Has some literature that came with it. So we have a toggle switch on and off switch, right? I kind of open it so you don't have to see me hammering it and getting into it like that. So what we have on the inside, that's it. That's as simple as it gets. When I mean simple, oh come on. One piece of copper wire. Copper line actually is not really wire, right? So there's no wires inside connecting to your plugs. Then we have the green for the ground, the white for the neutral, and the black for your live, right? So that's just the 3 wiring codes. Well, it's not really color code, but it's the wiring code for this specific item, right? The black is connected to the switch, right? So when I mean the black is connected to the switch, that's all that is connected inside of there, right? Which is really, really interesting. So what it is, I could see from this product is that the switch itself is your safety device. What I mean by that is that the switch, if it gets anything more than 20 amps of current, it's gonna trip. So let me suppose you have a toaster oven or microwave. A microwave takes about 18 amps of current, and then you decide, hey, what? Let me add a water kettle to that same thing. It's gonna trip. It's gonna be more than it could have the tolerance of it. All right. As if TNTech was to give you a voltage spike, like a high spike, it will stop. It will trip, right? But in terms of fluctuation and current supply, when it comes sensitive to electronics, it wouldn't work, right? So this would not protect your television or the new model fridges in any way possible. Anything that has electronics in it, stereos, those kind of things, it wouldn't do anything for it unless it's just that high amperage spike, right? So the next thing we're going to do is break down a line conditioner. I'm going to do the same thing on a line conditioner. We're going to see what's the difference. Alright guys, so I hope you subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe to Fix or Fling, right, where we break down everything. We try to give you a lot of information about appliances and technology, right? Thanks. Remember, my name is Joey Timal. Thanks again for watching. Hope to see us on the next one. Peace.